In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Chrome downloads. If you've ever downloaded a file in Google Chrome and then wondered where it went, this is a quick and easy process to learn. Chrome gives you a few simple ways to open your download history, and once you're there, you can also jump directly to the file's location on your computer. The fastest method is to use a keyboard shortcut. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl and J at the same time. If you're using a Mac, press Command, Shift, and J together. As soon as you do that, Chrome opens the Downloads page where you can see the files you've recently downloaded. This is a great option if you want the quickest possible access without clicking through menus. Another easy way is through the address bar. Click into Chrome's URL bar, type chrome://downloads, and then press Enter. This takes you straight to the same downloads page. This method is especially useful if you prefer typing commands directly into the browser or if you want a method that works without remembering menu locations. You can also get there using the Chrome browser menu. Go to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu icon. From that menu, select Downloads. Chrome will then open your list of downloaded items. This is a helpful option if you like navigating visually through the browser interface instead of using shortcuts. Once you're on the downloads page, you can do more than just view your download history. Under any downloaded item, look for the option that says Show in Folder. Click that and Chrome will open the exact folder on your computer where the file is stored. This is very useful when you need to move the file, open it from its saved location, or confirm exactly where Chrome placed it. If you download a lot of files, this page can save you time because it helps you find recent items without having to search your whole computer. And if you ever can't remember where something was saved, using Show in Folder is usually the quickest way to track it down. That's all there is to it. Whether you use the keyboard shortcut, the address bar, or the browser menu, Chrome makes it easy to view your downloads and locate your files whenever you need them.